Hi y'all, I freeze an eighth of a lemon into these mini silicone and put it on a baker sheet. Hey y'all, today we're going to be, I've washed my lemons and saved the bag. If you're a gardener, you can do things, you can put things in this bag like garlic or something and hang it up on a nail. You just fill it up after you process your garlic, of course. And then this part right here, you just stick on a nail. You don't, you don't even have to tie it. I don't tie mine because I want to get to my garlic. So anyway, we're going to be washing these, putting filtered water in there, cut up these, put them in there and freeze. And then after they freeze, you pop them out and put them in a Ziploc bag. So let me show you how it looks when we get done. Now these are rubbery, these little dudes, so you can't, just put them in the freezer. You need to put them on a pan. And this is just a Dollar Tree pan. I ordered these online. They're small. They're smaller than, so you can put it in your you can use ice trays too. But you can't get much lemon in the ice tray ones. So I like this size. So I have to overlap a little bit, but that's okay. Alright, so I put parchment paper in there too. I don't think it'll freeze to the bottom, but I don't know. You don't have to do that. Anyway, I'm going to cut up these lemons. These lemons are getting overripe. I'm going to cut them up. Now, I'll show that next. We're going to put a little piece in there, and then we're going to fill it full of filtered water. Got my filtered water right here. So that'd be the next step. This is how I do mine. I cut the end pieces off first. And yeah, you can still use those. And then I quarter it. And then I half it again. And then you put it in each one. It'll hold each one. So an ice cube won't hold that much. So these are the, let me see. I threw the packaging away. They're not the regular, they're the small, they're like the mini muffin pans. These silicone. You can use your canner funnel. You lay that over there to pour your water in each one. Just to the very bottom. Now see if it runs off right there. Don't overfill. So you're just barely going to put any in there. Just watch it that you're only filling it to that cupcake line. But this works really good. This canner funnel, I call it the canner funnel. That's how I fill my tray. If it runs over, see, you do have this, and it's just water. It'll wipe up. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. I tend to want to overfill them. You want to watch the blue line, not this line, if you know what I'm saying. So just fill it to the blue line, which is a splash. It's not much, but this is the way you can fill them. Just use your canner funnel. I got them in my deep freezer, and it filled, so 24. It takes 3 of them, unless your lemons are super huge. But I put the rind side down. And then after these freeze, you're going to put them in a Ziploc bag and put them back in the freezer. So I got 3 lemons left, so as soon as these freeze today, I'm going to bag them up and then cut up the rest. Hey, y'all. I told you not to throw away your end pieces of your lemons. So you just, like when you go to drink, just put you about 3 little pieces of that. That's all you really need. Now, what I do is keep my ice going. Y'all see that? My ice tray. Then I'm going to dump it in my ice bucket. And after I dump, I have 4 trays. I put it in here in a bag. So you can keep, every few hours, you can bag it up. I don't know if I got y'all even high enough to see. So you just crack them open. This won't even fit in my freezer, but I just turn it upside down and keep it on my counter. Bag up your ice in the gallon Ziplock bags. It's just easier to crack it in one of these buckets. You get these buckets at Walmart. And that's full enough. I don't like to overfill my bags. And you just stick that in your freezer. Then you always got ice. Then I'll get another baggie. Ziplock baggie. I like the zipper ones for when I'm going to be in and out of it pretty much. It does. Pretty easy if you're using the bucket. You can just pour it from the ice tray if you want. Drop one on the floor. So, then fill your ice trays up. Now you got ice. So, like if you're going on a picnic or something, you can plan ahead. Just keep doing that. You got a lot of ice. Now I gotta fill my ice trays back up. Okay, bye again. I remember I was gonna show you that this is how they look when they come out. The lemon, you know, they're round like that. Okay, and then you can see I got one in there. One's enough. It's still full of ice and water. Drop one of them in. And 6 lemons made 48. That's 48 drinks. That's cheaper than Cokes. Alright. Good night, y'all.